made it over here. We're at our venue for our fabulous coffee, cake and a crafty chat event, and it's going to happen at the Kent House Coffee and Flower Shop. It's such a cute venue. I'll take you with me. Come with me. Let's go. It's a very lovely space in here, and we've got 2 tables. We've got lots of we've got chairs for the ladies to sit. I think we've mainly got ladies coming today, and we've just got 1 child. But I think Tilly's coming with her little boy as well. Yeah. So, but it's a lovely venue here at the cafe, and look. We've got Faz and her mum, and her mum actually sews, and so imagine that. And we've got a lovely station over there. Is it showing? I'm coming around and I'll show you all the goodies we've got there. But I'm so excited, and very soon our doors will be open to all our guests, and it will be fantastic. But just keep watching, and yeah, let's just get on with it. So here are all our goodie bags, and we want to say a huge thank you to Hobbycraft for sponsoring this. And we've also got this bag here for our raffle, and we've got a lovely £50 gift card from Hobbycraft. So thank you, Hobbycraft. So now I'm going to take you over to Faz's station. Faz has come with all these beautiful, gorgeous goodies, and I've got my eye on that one. But Olivia's favourite is that. There's Olivia's favourite. But yes.
It's only exclusive to everyone here today, by the way.
Oh really?
I haven't got it online yet. Came yesterday.
Well, you heard it from Faz. She said it's exclusive to everyone who's come here today. And check her out at Cloth and Candy. She's on Instagram as well. I know a lot of people are on Instagram. But yes, yeah, that's it really. Hashtag, and we haven't come up with one yet, but we will let you know what the hashtag is. And there's these 2 taking a photo. Yeah. Hello, Sarah. I'm fine, thank you.
Juliet, Southside Sewing or something like
Southside Sewing.
Yeah, something.
Okay. Should we make it a thing then?
Yeah.
Hashtag Southside Sewing.
red cutter. Oh!
nice meeting everyone. I really, really loved it. Southside Sewing.
With a few something cost is high. Some North London representation.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so what did I get? This lush Liberty fabric. And it was so freaky that two different people who had never met each other before brought the exact same thing. This person, I think it was Sarah. Sarah brought 3 meters of hers, and this was from Camilla. Camilla brought 1 meter. So I thought, why buy just one? Buy both of them so I can make something bigger, because I don't think they're that wide. But they are Liberty fabrics, and I'm pleased that I collected this one. I got this for free. And I don't know who by, but it's a 2 meters. This was from Chloe actually, and she didn't bring it to sell. It was just I don't know if she brought it to sell, but I really liked it. It's like it's cottony, and well, this is for Olivia. I intend to make this for my daughter. It's a viscose fabric actually, and she called it an awkward remnant. And she actually had it for £1.50, but she gave it to me for free. So thank you very much, Chloe. I appreciate that, and I appreciate you coming all the way from Wimbledon. Thank you. This was from Hannah. Hannah had this, and she said she thinks it's 2 meters, but she had it for £5, but she gave it to me for free as well. Thank you, Hannah. Olivia, I intend to make this for my daughter. I need to make her something. It's a jersey, a pink light jersey fabric, and it's got a 4-way stretch. So look out for this one. Gosh, I picked up so much. Oh no, that's the last one. I got this here, and I bought it from Atia. It is a silk mix, and Atia had it for £15, and I think it's more than 3 meters, this fabric. It's quite a lot of material. I don't know what I'm going to make with this fabric yet, but watch this space. These we've got 6 buttons here from Cloth and Candy, but I do not intend to use these for actual garments. I want to make earrings out of them. And then I bought these buttons as well for Olivia's garments, but they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous buttons. So I bought these, and that's the end of my haul. It's a mini haul. So today's event was it was so special for me, and I really did appreciate it. I appreciated meeting all the people. I appreciated, I loved seeing the smiles on people's faces when they're just having a chat about what they brought along, and when they talked about, you know, what fabrics they liked and which ones they wanted to purchase from each other. I was so excited. I mean, sewing can be quite it's a solo sport, isn't it? And when you're, you know, in your own space creating, it's good for mental health. Don't get me wrong, it's really good because you get that time to reflect, you get that time to yourself, away from the kids, away from the family, and but then we also need a bit of a balance, don't we? So today was I was just really happy that myself and Atia organised this and brought it to our end, because there are a lot of people who love the same things that we do in this side of town, and we were so happy to gather everyone together, bring people together where people met each other in real life. Because I met was it Lisa? I think it was Lisa I met, and I thought, I've seen you somewhere, but then it was online. So it was nice to meet people in real life, and it was such a beautiful event. A huge thank you to Hobbycraft, who sponsored the event, and to Tilly who sponsored the event by giving, you know, all the attendees her patterns such a kind gesture from the two those two brands, and we are really appreciative of it. I hope you all enjoy the video. We do hope to bring it back next year more than once, so look out for 2020 South Side Sewing. So if you live down south side of town, keep an eye out, because we do hope to bring more sewing meetups, and it's going to be really exciting 2020, because we have great plans for the future. But thank you very much for watching my video. My first time vlogging properly, like doing an outside vlog. It felt a bit weird, but we'll get there one day. We'll get there. So take care, and I do hope to see you very soon. All the best. Bye.